What's going on, my ninjas? Welcome to the worst car content on YouTube. Today we'll be reviewing Lucas Injector Cleaner. We are gonna see if it helps our gas mileage at all, because right now, from what the computer is telling me, we're sitting at 12.3 miles per gallon, and with today's gas prices, that's just not gonna work. I definitely can't afford that, on top of insurance and everything else that we have to pay for here in Florida. So we'll be going through and getting a bottle of the injector cleaner. We're going to be getting the medium sized bottle and running through for all the way until the bottle's empty to see if there's any positive results with the Lucas being added to our gasoline. And hopefully with this little experiment, at the end of the day, we'll have some type of gain. As far as, I'm not looking for like major horsepower gains or anything crazy. I'm just looking for my gas mileage to be fixed. You usually would get around anywhere from like 16 to 22 miles per gallon, depending on if we're on the highway or not. And most of the times we're doing city driving, so it's a lot of light to light. And when we're driving light to light, usually we're right around anywhere from 16 to like 19 miles per gallon, depending on traffic. But lately we've been sitting right around 12, so really hoping that this new cleaner comes through for us and works well. Here we are at the local auto parts store around the corner from our house. We are picking up a fresh bottle of the injector cleaner. I've had really good luck with the other Lucas products. Their gear oil is phenomenal. They have that little tester at the front of the store that I used to play with as a kid, that I'm sure everybody else played with too. It's super rad while you're waiting. But we're turning our 350Z, her name is Inu, into a full-on drift build. And we also have a second project car that we'll be building on this channel and restoring. It's been sitting since 2005. It's a S chassis S14 240SX. If you guys would like to see that footage, just subscribe, and we'll be dropping footage of the whole restoration process and the 350Z being built. It's been about a week. We ran through the entire bottle. This will be the full test right here. Alright, me and the wife, we just got back from picking her up from work. Round trip, it's roughly around 20 to 25 miles each day, taking her to and from work. We definitely seen some improvement. City traveling, we reached 18.4 miles per gallon and a 26 mile an hour average in the city. We definitely saw a large improvement. I think that the Lucas cleaned out something in the system. I'm not sure exactly what, but the numbers speak for themselves. There definitely was a large margin of improvement here, and there's been a great improvement in my performance as well. It's not like something that you can tell too much, but I can physically feel a difference when we accelerate now. It's definitely got a little more punch. So the question is, does Lucas actually work to help save you on gas and in any type of performance gains? And it seems like it does. Since we started this experiment earlier this week, I've seen a little bit faster acceleration, and the numbers don't lie. The computer's definitely been letting me know that we've been saving a little bit of money with our gas. So definitely worth the investment. I think I paid $16 for the bottle or something after tax, and I know in the long run it'll definitely be worth the expense. So I'm happy with the results and definitely would recommend Lucas. We weren't sponsored by Lucas in any way, or anybody else, so this is just an honest opinion from us driving and putting it to the test. If you would like to support our channel, my wife has a Patreon that she started, and she's just a great artist. She draws cars. If you want your car drawn, reach out. It's Amanda the Alien. I will have a link down below for her Patreon. And if you like our content, please like and subscribe. And yeah, see you around the underground.